So let's address your question. So when will Moshiach come? So no one knows when Moshiach will come. There's a midrash. We covered midrash before in a previous class. I'll link the video above. But there was a midrash that Hashem was going to reveal when the Mashiach will come to Yaakov. And he didn't at the end. And there's a section in the Talmud called Sanhedrin, which I, Baruch Hashem, have finished. And the last chapter, chapter 9, deals with Mashiach. And I'll link the book below, the Sanhedrin, the Talmud. And there you can learn all about Mashiach. But I actually made a video about Mashiach, which explains everything about Mashiach according to the Jewish belief. So I'll link it for you there above. But at the end, no one really knows when Mashiach will come. But we know he will come. It's one of the 13 principles of faith. And even though he may delay, he will most definitely come.